Hello, welcome to another CFIRS virtual training. Today we're going to be going over how to submit a training record via the Firefighter Training Form. There are two ways to access the training form, the first being from within your normal login to CFIRS on the desktop version. You have a button called Mobile Inspection. If you click the Mobile Inspection button, it will take you to all of the mobile modules, including the training form. The second way to get to it would be utilizing CLEMIS Web. CLEMIS Web will allow you to access CFIRS and the mobile modules via the open internet. You can use this on a tablet or a phone or another computer that's not networked in your station. When you log in using the CLEMIS Web, though, you will have to enter your matrix pattern. If you have not set up the matrix pattern, please see the linked video. When I log in, I'll have to enter my matrix code. From within the mobile modules, I can get to the training form one of two ways. I can click the training form button on my dashboard, or I can get to it by clicking on the training section on the menu on the left and expanding and clicking training form. And that will take me to the actual training form. The training form is going to be the basic info that you're going to submit to your training coordinator on what your training session was. The start date and end date should be defaulted to the current date. And then the start and end time should be defaulted to approximately the current time. And you can change those by clicking into the text box. If the date, you click into that, you should get the date picker. And the same for the time. You should get a time picker, and you can adjust those up and down. I'm going to set mine for 11 a.m. until noon. And you can see it's calculating the time, the duration for me automatically. So as I change this to noon, it should change it to 1 hour. And then in the training details section, I can put what my basic details were for this training. And then scrolling down, I can pick who the instructor was for this. And I have two options. I can pick from my agency personnel, or I can pick from an external agency and select from their personnel. When I select the external agency, this drop-down will be populated with all of their personnel. But I can't do both. I have to have one or the other. So I'll pick somebody from just my agency. And then scrolling down, I can pick who attended the training. And on a Windows computer, on the browser, I have to pick one, and then I can control click and select multiple. If I'm on a phone or an iPad or a tablet, it will look differently, and it will have some checkboxes where you can individually check. With this section, I can also do external. So with the personnel who attended, I can do my own agency and external if needed. And this box works the same way. I can multi-select by control clicking in here. And then when I'm done, I can click Add.